Namaste children, welcome to today's maths class and I hope you are fine. What we discussed in the last class, we discussed the applications of finding using the formulas of area and perimeter of rectangle and square, and some problems we have solved from our textbook. And today we are going to discuss some more activities. It is there in our textbook, page number 149. Page number 149. My belt is longest. My belt is longest. Topic. Take a thick paper sheet of 14 centimeters. Take a thick paper sheet of length 14 centimeters and width 9 centimeters. 14 centimeters is the length and 9 centimeters is its width. You see, I have taken here one paper sheet. See here, you see, I have taken it as 14 centimeters. If you observe clearly, you can see this. It is 14 centimeters, and its width is 9 centimeters is their width. So now I have taken one paper sheet of length 14 centimeters and width 9 centimeters. What is its area and perimeter? What is the shape of this paper strip? Yes, it is a rectangle. So area of this paper strip is nothing but area of the rectangle. So here length is given 14 centimeters and breadth is given, that is width is given 9 centimeters. So here area is equals to what? So area of the paper strip is equals to length into breadth, that is L into B square units. So length is equals to what? It is 14 centimeters into breadth is equals to 9 centimeters square centimeter. 14 nines are 126 square centimeters is the area of the paper strip which I have taken. Next, perimeter of this strip I have to find. So perimeter of the strip, it is again, what is the formula? It is 2L plus 2B units. 2 times of length plus 2 times of width. That is 2 into 14 plus 2 into 9, which is equals to, that is centimeters. 2 into 14, 14 twos are how much? 28 plus 2 into 9, 2 nines are 18. So 28 plus 18 is equals to how much it is? 46 centimeters is the perimeter of this paper strip. Paper strip perimeter is equal to how much it is? 46 centimeters. Now what it is? Now cut strips of equal sizes out of it. Now this paper strip should be cut into pieces, strips, small strips of equal size. Now I am going to cut 3 equal parts. Then what will be the width of each part, or what will be the length of each part? Do you find any change in the length? So now I made here, I did one part. It is, you see here its length is same but width is reduced. You see sir, if you measure this, we will get 3 centimeters as the width and length it will be 14 centimeters. Now I cut one more strip from the original paper strip of length 14 centimeters and width 9 centimeters. Right. Now I divided the paper strip into 4 strips of equal size. 3 strips of equal size. What is the width of each one? So total width of this sheet is 9 centimeters. When it is equal, then each will become 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters we will get. So what are the strips? How many strips I made? It is 3 strips I made. Then what is the strip width of each strip? It is 3 centimeters. And length it is, there is no change in the length, that is 14 centimeters only. Now what to do? It is we have to make one belt. Using tape, join the strips end to end to make a belt. So what? Using tape, join these strips end to end to make what? A belt. Just now I am showing here. You can do it at your home. So now I made this. This is a belt. What is this? A belt. It is made up of 3 pieces. How many pieces? 3 strips I made. What is the width of this belt? It is, what is the width of this belt? It is 3 centimeters. Width of this belt is 3 centimeters. Am I right? Then what is the length of this belt? So this is 14 centimeters and this is 14 centimeters. Again here we have 14 centimeters is there. So total how many centimeters? How many centimeters are there? If you see here, I placed here, then the length of this belt will be what it is? 3 times the length of the paper strip. Each strip it is 14 centimeters. Am I right? 14 plus 14 and this is also 14. So total 14 plus 14 plus 14 is equals to how much? It is 42 centimeters is the length of the belt. How long is your belt? So what is the length of my belt? So I made here like this. So this is, I am drawing here. So this is one strip. This is one strip. On the other strip like this I made. So 3 strips are there. Each strip is having what is the length? 14 centimeters. This is 14 centimeters and it is 14 centimeters. Width of this belt it is 3 centimeters. Now, how long is your belt? The length of my belt is 14 plus 14. 14 centimeters plus 14 centimeters plus 14 centimeters, which is equals to 42 centimeters. 14 plus 14, 28. 28 plus 14 it is 42 centimeters. Now what is its perimeter? What is the perimeter of this belt? So what is the shape of that belt? It is again rectangular shape is there. It is again a rectangular shape whose length is equals to what? Length is equals to 42 centimeters and breadth is equals to what it is? 3 centimeters. Now its perimeter is equals to what? Perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B centimeters or square, it is units. 2 into L plus B units or 2L plus 2B. That is 2 into L is equals to 42 plus B is equals to 3 centimeters. Now add inside 2 into 42 plus 3 is 45. 2 into 45 centimeters. 45 into 2 it is 90 centimeters. 2 5s are 10, 1 is there and 2 4s are 8 plus 1 it is 9. So you can multiply here it is 45 with the 2. 2 5s are 10, 1 is there carrying, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 it is 9. 90 centimeters is the perimeter of that belt. Now suppose if I increase the number of pieces of this paper, then what will happen? If I increase, now I took only 3 pieces. If I made into 6 pieces, then what will happen? The length of the belt will increases. 3 pieces is this much. 6 pieces means still more will be there. Double to this length will be there. If I increase 9 pieces, means we can find as the number of pieces are increased. That is, the width of the piece is less. As the width of the piece is less, then the length of the belt will be more. As the length of the width of the piece, that is the small strip, is less, then the belt formed by those strips, the length will be the maximum length we can find out. So are you clear, children? This is this paper strip activity. We'll continue. Now, whose belt is longest in the class? If you do this activity in the class by different children, they will get different lengths depending upon the number of strips they took from the postcard or from that paper strip. So who will get? The students, the children or the friend or whatever your friend or your student. Strips of the least width will make the longest belt. Just now I have shown you, I took only 3 pieces and we got some length of the paper, that is a belt. Now I increased this as 7, that is 6 pieces. Now I made it 6 pieces. You see, this is 3 pieces. Similarly, this is 4. Definitely the length is increased or not. If I place one more, here 2 more, or if I place the 2 more also by pasting, then what we will get? We will get the longer belt or the longest belt. 6 pieces. If you increase the number of pieces, the length will be same, but width decreases. That means the pieces will become thinner and thinner, thinner and thinner. Then The strips with the least width will make the longest belt. Why did some of your friends longer belts than others? Why did some of your friends got what it is longer belts than your belt? Why did some of your friends got longer belt than others? Why it is than your belt? Why it is? Because they made thinner strips. That is what I took only 3. If somebody they may take 4, or they may take 5, or they may take 6. As the number of pieces increases, the strips increases, the length of the belt will be more. So what it is? Because they made thinner strips than others. Next, is the area of your belt the same as the area of the postcard? Postcard in the sense, before first I have shown you this, what it is, a paper strip, big paper strip. That is instead of paper strip, we also can take the postcard. How much area we got for that? It is 126 centimeters. 126 square centimeters we got area. Now, is same as the area of the postcard. Is the area of your belt the same as the area of the postcard? We found in the previous first question, area of the postcard, what we got, it is 126 square centimeters. Now find area of my belt is equals to length into breadth square units. So what is the length? It is 42 centimeters. And what it is breadth? It is 3 centimeters. 42 into 3 square centimeters. Now multiply. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 126 square centimeters. What is the area of the postcard which we got? It is also 126 square centimeters. Yes, the areas are same. The areas are same. So from this what we can conclude? We can conclude that area of the belt and the area of the postcard, even if you cut the number of pieces also, the area is same, but the perimeters will be different. Now, what will you do to get a longer belt next time? I got just 42 centimeters. If I would have get more than that 42 centimeters length longer, what I have to do? I should make more number of strips, that is thinner strips I should make. So by making thinner strips, I can get the longest belt. So by making thinner strips, I can make the longest belt next time. Is it clear, children? You understand this belt activity? Yes. Now we will move to one more activity. Now in page number 152, share the land. See the picture here. A land is there, which is shown in the figure. And see here, Nasrina, a female, is a farmer. Nasrina is a farmer, female farmer, who wants to divide her land equally among her 3 children. Nasrina is a female farmer, so she wants to divide her land equally among her 3 children. How many children are there for Nasrina? It is 3 children. And how she should give that land? She wants to give equally. 3 members will get the same amount of land. Chumki, Jumri and Imran. Who are the children? Chumki, Jumri and Imran. She wants to divide the land so that each piece of land has 1 tree. Her land look like this. So this is the land of Nazreen, and 3 trees are there. 3 children are there. Who are the 3 children? Chumki, it is Chumki, Jumri and Imran. Her 3 children. She wants to divide this land equally among the 3 children and see that each one should get 1 tree. Each one should get 1 tree. See, she is showing what it is. Social justice, equality among the children. She is representing what? Equal. Right to equal to among all the 3 children. Now here the questions are there. Can you divide this land equally? Yes, we can divide this land equally. Why we can divide this equally? Because how many boxes are there? Here it is. We have, it is rows. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows. And each row, how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total how many boxes are there? 9 into 10. It is 90 boxes are there. 90 is the multiple of 3. So we can divide with 3 for each children. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 zeros are 0. So each children will get 30 boxes, 30 square boxes at one tree. Yes, we can divide this land equally. Show how you will divide it. And remember, each person has to get a tree and color each person's piece of land differently. So we have to show how can you divide this equally, and see that each person should get, each child should get one tree and color each person's land, a piece of land differently. Now I will show you here. It is see this what I made here. It is like this. You see here, this is just what I mean to say, I'm darkening like this. This is which I can say that once children will get what I mean to say, it is this land. Are you able to see? Now you count how many are there. Just I am thickening, I am making thick lines, thick boundary. I am drawing the boundary line of one child for this land. Now count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 into 3 it is 27, and 28, 29, 30. 30 boxes, 30 square meters she got. If it is 1 square meter is each one, and she got what it is 1 tree she got. Next, for one more child we will get like this. What it is, see this from here, you made like this, you made, will get, and then you divide this like this. So we will get one more piece of land. So this is one more piece of land where the 3 children will get equal amount of what? The land. So this is 1. So this child got again what it is, 1 tree. The leftover it is there, it is for one child. Now you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 we got see here, this is not at here. This second line we will get this line. So from here, so now 3 are added, 3 more are added, so we'll get 30. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 40 is 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we got like this this piece of land. Now the 3 members got 3 trees, and like this. Now you can color them. Now I am drawing with what it is crossword lines. So like this. This is one child land. You see here. This is one child land, and the other child land I used to draw like this. The other slant lines. So now this is not there till here it is. This is then like this. Now I think you understood. So the leftover part it is one child land. This is one child land, and this is one. You can take this is Chumri and Jumri, Chumki, Jumri, and it is Imran. The 3 children, they will get the land in this way. We can divide equally. Now, if each square on this page is equal to 1 square meter, each square is 1 square meter of land, how much land will each of our children will get? The total land here, 90 boxes are there. Each box is 1 square meter, 1 square meter. Then what is the total area of this land? It is 90 square meters. 9 into 10 it is 90 boxes are there. 90 square meters will get. Then for each member will get how many it is by dividing with 3. 3 ones are 3 30s are. So 30 square meters we get each child will get 30 square meters. So like this we can divide this land equally among the 3 children with 1 tree to each child. Is it clear, children? Now I made very clear with the black marker pen. I made the boundaries. So this is the land piece of Chumki, and this is Jumri, and it is Imran. Now Chumki, Jumri and Imran need wire to make a fence. They wanted to make a fence along with their land piece. Who will need longest wire for fencing? Who will need longest wire for fencing? So here Chumri, first we find Chumki. Chumki, how much she required? As we have discussed, it is Chumki. How much wire she required? Chumki. Count here. This is the area of 1 square meter. Each square means 1 meter width, 1 meter length. Now we count how many are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. So 28 sides are there. Therefore Chumki, it is 28 meters of fencing wire she required. Next Jumri. Jumri, how much she required? Jumri, how much fencing she required? Now we count from here. So she will use, this is the boundary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. So Jumri is also, how much long wire she required? 28 meters long wire she required. Next Imran. So Imran is there. How much he required? We'll discuss Imran wire. So now if you count from, if you start from here, it is 9 boxes are there, 9 meters will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 meters wire he required. Imran required 26 meters long wire. Chumki required 28 meters long wire and Jumri required 28 meters long wire. So who will need the longest wire? See, longest wire means it is Chumki and Jumri. Therefore, Chumki and Jumri require the longest wire. Longest wire for fencing. Now, how much wire in all will the 3 need? How much wire they require in all the 3 members if they fence in different ways? Then by adding all these measurements we will get it. That is 28 meters plus 28 meters plus 26 meters. We will get how much is the total length. Here you add it 28 and it is 26. So 8 plus 8 it is 16, 16 plus 6 22. So keep 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 it is 6, 6 plus 2 it is 8. How much we require? It is 82 meter wire they require for all the 3 members. 82 meter wire they require for all the 3 members. So you may get a doubt here, already Chumki is fenced, no? Then what is the necessary for Jumri to fence? Once again it is not mentioned that it is only one side it is fenced for the other, that is Jumri or the Chumki. We have to find individually for the 3 children how much they require the fencing wire. Is it understand, children? Is it clear, children? Yes. So in the next class we will continue with some other activities. Thank you very much.